Have you ever wondered where the water you drank truly comes from? What if a single bottle carried centuries of natural filtration? Today, we explore the story behind Amboo mineral water. Amboo mineral water originates from the town of Amboo, west of Addis Ababa, an area known for its unique underground springs. This water is shaped by nature itself. Rainwater travels deep underground through volcanic layers. Over many years, it absorbs minerals and natural carbon dioxide. This process gives Amboo its natural sparkle without any artificial carbonation added. Amboo mineral water contains essential natural minerals. These minerals support digestion and bone health, making it more than just a refreshing drink. For generations, Amboo has been linked to wellness. People once traveled long distances to drink its water. Today, that tradition continues in a modern form, produced under strict quality standards, trusted by millions across Ethiopia. Amboo also contributes to the national economy, supporting local jobs and communities and representing Ethiopia beyond its borders. Every bottle tells a story of nature, time, and balance. The next time you drink Amboo mineral water, remember you were drinking history shaped by nature. If you enjoyed this documentary, like and share this video.